Welcome to the training video for TAC Online Web Stations Service Routes. The Service Route Station is an electronic replacement of route sheets. It supplies a stop order listing of all locations to be serviced, links to Google and Apple Maps with either turn-by-turn and/or voice instructions, the ability to email customers on completion of service, dialing of phone numbers to reach the customer, and full real-time production reporting. On our website at clearcomputing.com videos, there's a series of videos that give you step-by-step details on how to use the stations. We'll show that later in the presentation. This presentation will cover logging on to the station, selecting a route for a specific driver, selecting a stop on that route, and then entering the production reporting, which consists of scrolling down to select New, clicking OK, then going and completing the service, which means driving to the location, cleaning the units, and when you're done, coming back to the browser or web station, selecting the production, choosing Edit, Update Units Count Serviced and Completion Time, clicking OK, done, and then you repeat that for each step. So in about 15 seconds, you do full production reporting per stop. We'll now go into the actual demonstration. We open a web browser and type in the location www.tac-service.com/demo, where in your case you would put your company name instead of the word demo. This opens to a browser login site, okay, and you would click bookmark this page, service stop, and you could say done, and then on the bookmarks at the very bottom you'll see service stops, and if you click it, it brings you right back to this page. You would then log on to the account by clicking login. In this case you type demo at 999 and click the checkbox to remember and log in. You can see here is the training videos, so if I right click on this and open it in a new tab, this takes me to a website where all the training videos for the web browser stations are available, and as each station is completed, this list will grow. Let's get back to the production reporting. I click service stops. I'm going to select Route 1M, which is serviceable by both Joel and Demo. If I click on it, I get a listing of all the service stops in stop number order, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to use the town of Colts Neck. When I left click on it, I get a full listing of phone numbers and addresses, turn-by-turn instructions, and of course if I click on Google Maps, this will open Google Maps and I can say get directions and take me from my current location, and again if this is on an iPad or an iPhone, it's where I'm standing, to get directions that will take me directly to the service location from where I'm standing. In this particular case, we're in New Jersey and the service location is in Indiana, so it's going to take a bit of a drive. And I can use Apple Maps. As I scroll down further, I see there's a unit that has to be serviced, which is 1, and this is production reporting, so I click New. The system fills everything out, including the date and the start time and the number of units that are on the site. I just click OK. Now I would go and drive to the site, service the units, And when I'm finished, I would come back to this location, highlight the fact that this is to be serviced. This should be 15 or 20 minutes later. I select it, I click edit. It pre-populates the time. This is about 20 minutes later, and I'm going to indicate that there was no unit serviced and that there was one unit missed. It was blocked by lumber. I can click OK at this point. I can go back and continue to do the next service stop and complete my production reporting and continue on for the work. Thank you.